Everyone has always heard of old wives' tales, but the idea of trying to tell the difference between a wives' tale and an actually effective home remedy is often very difficult to tell. If you are trying to tell the difference between an effective home remedy and a far-out-there wives' tale, it can seem extremely complicated, but there are generally some effective ways to tell the difference. The majority of home remedies tend to be extremely effective, however, there is a very small margin of success with old wives' tales, and this makes them quite useless for someone looking to find true relief from whatever ails them. Here is a test of time. Are you able to determine if Coca-Cola can remove rust? This is an old wives' tale that has been passed around for years. The idea is that it will eat away at rust. Many people have mistakenly discounted this in a wives' tale for years, however it is an extremely affordable and highly effective rust-removing home remedy. The reality is that there are some wives' tales that really do work, but knowing which seem reasonable is extremely important. For most people, the idea of putting old wives' tales to the test is simply too much trouble. If you consider that one of the popular wives' tales involves drinking 2 glasses of Gatorade to eliminate headaches, you can quickly see how the wives' tales come to obtain a bad reputation. Working to overcome all of the difficulties that are present is certainly not easy. A small amount of time put into trying to study each wives' tale will help you to determine how feasible it really is to actually work. There are oftentimes home remedies that have been passed along a substantial amount. These often quickly become classified as wives' tales, despite the fact that they really do work. In order to determine how much likelihood a wives' tale has of actually working, you can typically take some time to do a bit of research online. Many times, remedies and wives' tales will be extremely easy to research, which can allow you to see if it is likely to be effective, or if many other people have had complications with the remedy lacking the necessary aspects to make it truly effective. You are sure to hear plenty about home remedies by talking to members of your family and looking around online. You are also quite likely to hear a lot of information about some of the various wives' tales that may or may not be very effective. These are all natural to come across, and many people do not realize just how easy it is to confuse actual remedies with less than stellar results. Proving not only to yourself but also to others that some of the wives' tales really are effective can be a lot of fun though, but should be done only if you are in a position where you will be able to seek out some relief. Never wait until you have spent far too much time looking around. This could create further problems since proper treatment was not sought sooner. A venture into the world of home remedies really is possible, but must be carefully monitored to ensure safety, of course.